Now, no, let's go up a little bit. Now, when you look here, these are the sales. Can you see the way they are coming in, right? It's awesome the way you make money with this whole system. But let me do something. I'm going to go to my Gmail. Let's go to the Gmail, right? When you come to that, that's my Gmail. So I'm going to do a little search. Let's just search. And then look at what's going to happen. Look at sale, sale, sale. All these are sales alerts from my online store. How do you like that? You getting to understand what I'm talking about, right? Now this OLSP, let me even show you the store. So let's go to the dashboard. Oh my God. I love it. I love it. Now look at the products. Can you see the products? Look at that. 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 And look, this is amazing, right? Now with the Team Builders online store, you don't, everything is done for you. The store is done for you. The products are selected for you. Everything is done for you. All you do, you just share that one link, right? And by you sharing a single link, you will be able to earn commissions from all these products, whether low ticket, medium ticket, high ticket. But the beauty of it is the high ticket, right? Like if you come to our team builders, like if you decide to join team builders and then you look at the team builders here, and then somebody you invite decide to get the come to your online store and decide to get the team builders, you will earn a minimum of $500 per sale. And if they get the higher level of team builders, you get $1,000 per sale. That's what I'm talking about, right? So the online store allow you to earn unlimited commissions, right? All you have to do is to send as many visitors to this online store. And this is crazy amazing, right? That's why you see already with me, I am already at $10,284, guys. Crazy, crazy. But look, so look, if you are thinking, hey, Victor, I really need to get this online store that just keep pumping out money, what you want to do, go to the description, click that link, and then sign up for the team builders. Now, with the team builders, there's only a one-time setup fee. There is no monthly fee, so which is amazing. So you just get a you pay a one-time setup fee, and then you become a permanent team builder. And then now, once you become a permanent team builder, all you need to do, send your link to me, right? Once you send your link to me, I'm going to add you to our team traffic system where we start promoting your business for you for free. We just do that to all our team members. That helps them to, start building their email list, start getting all those sales also. It's incredible, but it's just amazing and how simple it is, right? Now let's quickly look at Facebook promotions, because I have to talk about how I market, how you too can market and make money with Facebook, right?